Hello, Daniel. I can't believe I'm finally coming to your hometown.
Yeah, my family Christmas party will be big this year.
Do you think your parents will like me?
Of course they will. Don't worry too much.
I even borrowed money for this trip. This must be the step before marriage.
You think too much.
Mom, this is Maya. So you are the girl.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Tell me, what are you doing here?
Ma, I came for the Christmas celebration.
Hmm.
Daniel, your mom asked me, what am I doing here? What does she mean?
Don't mind her. That's just how she talks.
Okay, I just hope she likes me.
Relax. Everything is fine. Let's go inside.
Maya, good, you are awake.
Yes, Ma.
Start cooking the rice. After that, wash the plates outside.
Okay, Ma.
Sweep the compound. Guests will come today.
Yes, Ma. I have to start doing the work that she told me to do.
I was cooking, washing plates, buying things from the market, running around like I was on salary. But I didn't complain. Because I believed I was preparing to marry into the family.
Maya, why are you doing makeup?
Because today is the party.
Don't do too much. You don't need makeup.
Why?
You will be helping my mom serve guests.
Helping serve guests?
Yes, just assist her. You see that table? My friends are sitting there.
Yes.
Give them food and go help my mom with the dishes.
Okay.
Fine girl, no be small thing.
That must be Sophie.
She fine die.
See as she waka come. Daniel, who is that girl? Everyone has been greeting her since she comes in.
Oh, she's my friend's girlfriend.
Your friend's girlfriend?
Yes.
Okay, I just wanted to know who she is.
My daughter, you will marry in this house. This house will become your home. You will enter here and live freely.
Wait, I have been in this house for 3 days. Cooking, cleaning, working. And nobody even introduced me to anyone. But this girl, they are welcoming her like a queen. So I didn't come here to meet my future in-laws. I came here to do free service. Daniel, I need to talk to you.
Can you wait? I'm busy.
No, it cannot wait.
Hey, what are you doing?
Who is that girl?
I already told you, my friend's girlfriend.
Then why did your mother pray for her like she is the one marrying into this family?
You are thinking too much.
No, you are hiding something. We have to go and see your mother.
Maya, why are you standing here? Guests need food.
Ma, please, I need you to answer one question.
What question?
Ma, who is Sophie?
Why are you asking?
Because I have been in this house for 3 days working like a house help.
Cooking, cleaning, serving everyone, and nobody even told people who I am. But Sophie arrives today and she is treated like family. So I want to know, who is she?
Fine. Since you want the truth, Sophie is the woman my son will marry.
Daniel, is that true?
Maya, it's complicated.
We have dated for 1 year. You invited me here. You let me cook for your family. You let me serve everyone. And now you are telling me you are marrying someone else?
Wait, what? You dated her?
Mom, it's not like that.
You told me she was your friend helping for the party.
Your friend?
Daniel, are you serious right now? Daniel, what nonsense is this? You embarrassed me in front of everyone.
Wow. So I traveled all the way here, borrowed money, worked like a house help, and you told everyone I was your friend?
Maya, please wait.
No, don't say anything. You already said enough with your lies. Thank you for showing me the truth early. Good luck.
Hello.
Hi.
I saw what happened just now. I had a similar case in my last relationship. Can I get your contact so we can be friends?
Okay.
Thanks.
That day I learned something important. Never ignore the signs when people show you who you really are to them. Because sometimes the place you think is your future home is only a place you were sent to serve.